Guess us, my dear friends, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Brightsider. As you can see, we've gathered many delicious ingredients here. Yo, what's up with you? Get back up here. This one tried to escape, but not today, bell pepper, not today. So today we're going to make a delicious Greek salad. And the best part about this whole stuff right here is that we're going to show you how it's done. So in this episode, we're going to show you how to make an authentic Greek salad. In Greece, it has a funny name which translates to village salad. We're going to place it right here or so. And yeah, and you're going to need bell peppers, a green bell pepper or yellow bell pepper or whatever color bell pepper. We just gathered all of our bell peppers here so we can show off, So, you need bell peppers. You're going to need a cucumber. You're going to need small tomatoes like those right here. You're going to need a red or purple onion, whatever. You're going to need some feta cheese. You're also going to need some olive oil. This is essential. You're going to need this, so get your best olive oil and use it, yeah? You're also going to need some olives. In this case, they're called Kalmata Olives, so you're going to need those olives. These are the best olives. Yeah, they're red. You want those olives with the seed and you want to slap it. And you're going to need some sea salt. Well, we have Himalaya salt, but sea salty enough. And now, please make a salad. First, remove everything so you can actually work. You want to start with the tomatoes, or actually it doesn't matter what you start with, but get your tomatoes. So this is the perfect size for a tomato piece, as you can see right here. Yeah, get another tomato, slice it, and then you get your onion, and you also slice your onion. Simple stuff. Next, you get your cucumber. You cut off a chunk of this cucumber. You might want to peel your cucumber. You don't have to. I like my cucumber peeled. And then you cut your cucumber into small cucumber pieces. Astonishing. Now place your ingredients onto the plate, whatever you might want to use. You can also use a bowl, just like this, just very simple, very efficient. Next, you get your bell pepper, and then you just cut it into slices. Some more, maybe this color, yes, purple bell pepper. Well, purple on the outside at least. Yellow, I like yellow. It's pretty colorful. Fancy Greek salad in this case, and the green one. You don't want to miss the green bell pepper. Whoa. Now take your bell pepper slices and put them onto the plate. Look at how pretty this looks. And next comes the star of the show. Cut the feta cheese. 2 slices shall be enough. Well, the second one is pretty thick. And then you just mix your salad ingredients. Could have also used a spoon or something. Next, you place the feta cheese on top, because it's the star of the show. You could also have done this beforehand, but next you also add some olives, of course. Look at how pretty this looks. And then you sprinkle some salt on top, not too much, and then olive oil. You put it on top, and if you like, you can also sprinkle some oregano on top, but I don't like oregano, so no oregano in this case. And there you have it. That's how fast you can prepare a Greek salad. And there you have your Greek salad. Very beautiful, very healthy. I forgot the Greek word for bye. See you in the next episode of Cooking with Brightsider or whatever.